Hey guys, it's LT here with a quick tip for you. The other day I had a friend eating pasta and I haven't had pasta in over a year. So, it made me want to have some after I seen it. So what I did was I went and picked up some rice pasta. Rice pasta. Now, why would I get rice pasta over regular wheat or brown, regular pasta? Now, rice pasta is made with rice, which means it doesn't have wheat in it. Now, regular pasta, whether it be white or whole grain brown pasta, is made with wheat. Now, if it's made with wheat, that means it's doing all types of crazy stuff to your body. When I learned this, I pretty much gave up pasta. I always knew pasta wasn't good for you because of the carbohydrate content, but I didn't realize that wheat was that bad for you. Now, just in case you don't know, wheat is very bad for you, and they actually put in a lot of foods they shouldn't put it in because they learned that it's addictive. So the first thing about wheat that's bad is addictive. The next thing that makes wheat bad is it affects your digestive system. It has gluten in it, which means it's affecting your digestive system in a bad way. Your food can't digest. It makes you bloated. Does all other types of stuff as well. I'm just giving you a short version. The third thing it does, it actually makes you gain weight. Of course, if you're addicted to something, you're going to eat more of it, so you're going to gain weight from it. I think about 20 or 30 years ago, the food industry realized that wheat was addictive, so they start putting it in almost everything. So if you're looking to be healthy, definitely try to use rice pasta instead of regular pasta. Of course, you can't do it all the time because at the end of the day, rice pasta still have a lot of carbohydrates. So if you're going to eat rice, eating rice would be better than eating the rice pasta because it's more carbohydrates in the pasta than it is the rice. But when you're having those days where you need something, you just need some pasta, definitely go for rice pasta over wheat pasta. Hope this tips helps someone. Have a great day.